we go. We've got the upper arch with the extra oil conversion here on the C2F. This is Roto technology where it's going to be screwless, right? You can see here, no screws, no holes at all. And this should snap right down. Let's just see. Oh, and yes, it does. Pretty sweet, right? Let's see what the lower does, Randy. What do you say? So here's a lower. There we go. So you can see what the lower arch looks like. No holes. All ready for going into the patient's mouth tomorrow. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. That's the sound of satisfaction right there. So we're going to go around all 6 of these. Probably hit them up a couple of times. Notice that the first time, these lab ones sometimes take another dose. So what's unique about this is we picked this up on a model, so we didn't do this in the mouth, which obviously helps a lot with, jamming this stellar material or pickup or impression material in and around a fresh surgical site. There we go. So there you have it. Pretty cool.